Here I've got Apple iPhone 12, and let me show you how to change email signature on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select Mail, scroll down, and here you will notice signature. So just mark it, and now you can remove the current one. Smoothly remove it, and now enter the signature that you would like to have. So let me enter with love. And that's it. Okay, so reset. Then, for example, you can bold some of the text, so just mark it and select bold. And now this is the signature that will be applied to all emails in my device. So this is it. As you can see, it has been changed. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.